Maya rummaged through her grandma's dusty attic, finding an antique camcorder, oddly heavy and unlabeled. Unplugged, a faint emerald light pulsed from its lens, like a tiny eye. Curiosity piqued. She pressed play. The screen showed fuzzy footage of her 5th birthday. Her youngest self, giggling, about to blow out candles, turned, looked directly at the camera, and vanished. Maya gasped, dropping the camcorder. Her 5-year-old self had just winked and disappeared from her own memory. Heart hammering, she replayed it. Same disappearance. She found her first day of middle school tape. Herself, terrified, tripping over a backpack. Maya winced. Then, a wild thought. What if? She wished she hadn't tripped. The footage shimmered. She smoothly sidestepped the backpack. Maya stared, breathless. The camcorder wasn't just playing. It was editing memories before her eyes. Next day, Leo mentioned her middle school trip. Maya frowned. No, I walked right past it. Leo looked confused. Maya's stomach dropped. The camcorder had altered his memory too. She rushed home. A new swirling vortex appeared on the screen. Then text. Temporal decay. Continued interference will erase. The warning pulsed, a cold dread seeping into her bones. Ignoring the warning, Maya scrolled to her bike accident tape, a memory of resilience. She pressed play, wished the fall away. The footage shimmered. She rode unharmed. But then, a shadowy, transparent figure flickered behind her in the footage, watching. Later, Maya realized her favorite scar, and the pride from overcoming that injury, were gone. She felt hollow, like a piece of her own grit had been snipped away. The camcorder hummed, glowing brighter. A familiar face solidified on screen. A blurred, spectral Leo. Stop, he whispered, tinny from the speaker. You're erasing us. Every perfect past creates a ghost. Maya screamed, dropping the camcorder. The ghostly Leo vanished. She scooped it up, shaking. What are you talking about? The screen glitched, showing multiple ghostly figures. Familiar faces, all lost. She felt their sorrow, their forgotten moments resonating. Perfected memories. They feed off real ones. The camcorder's voice boomed, distorted. They take the real people. Soon, only an ideal world remains. And you will be alone. The camcorder was a hungry entity, consuming reality. A desperate idea sparked. Maya remembered a messy, mud-stained photo of her and Leo from a lost hiking trip, an imperfect, real memory. She found that tape. She focused, reaffirming the original, messy version of that day. As she concentrated, the camcorder grew scorching hot, burning her hands. The room filled with blinding light. The camcorder exploded. Maya collapsed, pain fading. Her room was normal, blisters gone. She called Leo. Remember that time we got lost hiking? Leo laughed. Yeah, best worst day ever. She felt the raw, messy reality flood back. Anxieties, challenges, but also genuine joy and connection. She looked at her reflection. It wasn't perfect, but it was her, with all her real memories, good and bad, forming her story. Life isn't a game you can replay until you get a perfect score. Our most valuable lessons and deepest connections often come from the challenges, mistakes, and imperfections we experience. Trying to erase those moments means erasing the very things that shape who we truly are and the genuine bonds we form. Embrace the real, messy story of your life.